Garage, yeah! What's going on? Back for more! What are you working on?
Let's do it.
What are you working on?
So I'm deleting old AC stuff.
Nice.
Yeah. Redoing everything, wiring harness, and take the whole box out of it.
Yep.
Big box over there, so.
Fun times.
Yeah.
Ever putting it back in there, but.
What's up, man?
What's up, Silas? How's it going?
Not bad, not bad.
What you doing over here?
I'm boxing their frame rails. We're gonna smooth the day. So just making templates right now.
Nice. So what do you put over? What are you gonna put to, like, what are you gonna tack weld it in? Just sheet of metal, or?
Yeah, so these are just the templates, right? Cut it out so you can box in. Hey, Brian, give me the other piece of Modelo over there. So this one will sit, see that line right there?
Mm-hmm.
And then this one.
All the way back there, nice.
So that's the first piece I'm cutting out, is this steel piece.
Mm-hmm.
This 10 right here. And I'm just gonna dry fit it, maybe tack it in, see how it looks. I don't have much of a lip to weld to,
yeah,
of course. So I'm still up in the air whether or not I'm gonna cut this flat and then take them to a brake, you know, so take them to my buddy's house and put them in a metal brake and bend a 90 on the ends.
Oh, I got you.
We can weld it right to here.
Nice.
But you can't have a lot of you don't have a lot of room between the pulleys and shit.
Yeah, I know.
So I can't add, you know.
Yeah.
You know how it is. Usually it's a hammer and a cold chisel and push that thing over.
Yes.
But
awesome.
I don't want to do a bunch of destructo. Plus we had to keep these coupons here for something that mounts here, Chayo said. But all the other stuff we cut off and ground all this shit off. All these dimples, all that shit gets filled with filler. And then got all that fucking
that's looking good. All that
sealer off.
Glue off or whatever. Yeah.
It's like seam seal. They put it underneath there and then they tack weld everything.
Nice.
Or, you know, they spot, they're all
Yeah, spot welds, yeah.
But that's
sweet.
Then we kind of got with the Choa yesterday about how he wanted to do it, just so it made it easier for him to smooth it all off with with filler and all that.
Oh yeah.
So
sweet, dude! I can't wait.
You know it's gonna be cool. We were gonna go up like this, but we wouldn't have enough room this week for the supercharger.
Yeah.
So
that would have been cool.
Yeah, I think it'll be fun.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Smoothed out.
Yeah. All I'm gonna do is burn this thing on here so it's not gonna move, right?
Yeah.
And then Choa, when he does the body work, he'll fill all this and sand it off smooth.
Nice.
All this will get filled and sanded. So all we're doing really essentially is just boxing this. Boxing it around.
Going on over here, because this is looking like you're doing some work.
Yeah, we were trying to see, well, I was trying to see, should I just stitch weld it or just weld it, and then that way we kind of get more of a transition. That way when I put some body filler, it's not that much body filler. So that way I'm just a little pit spots on the weld.
Gotcha.
So instead of putting a lot of Bondo or glaze on there, it's more of just a skin.
Dude, that thing's so awesome. Oh, shoot. CHAYO'S garage is back. As you can see, I'm still on the high from last week, my Mark II engine firing up finally. So this episode, it took about a month to get enough video for this episode to come together, you know, working with different people, different schedules, getting people over there to get work done. It's just been really difficult. So finally, I have enough video to put, you know, something together for you guys that I think, you know, you guys are gonna like. People that wanted to know how a shave bay started, hopefully you're getting some good information on that. Please like the video, please subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys next time.